Jacob kalamdaman
In this version of NIV Verbala,
James chapter 1 verse 5 to 8.
James chapter 2
Bigyan na ng
verse
follow up
5
na
and 13.
Loving
Speaking and
Arena NIV Verbala po yan.
James
James chapter 1
verse 5 to
verse 2 to 5.
Bigyan na ng follow up na
Consider it a pure joy, my brothers. Arena NIV Verbala po yan. James chapter 1 verse 2 to 5. Consider it a pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face a trials of many kind, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its work, so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything. If any one of you lack wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you.
New King James Version Chronology. James chapter 1 verses 12 to 18. Loving God under trials. Blessed is the man who endures temptation, for when he has been approved, he will receive the crown of life which the Lord has promised to those who love him. Let no one say when he is tempted, I am tempted by God. For God cannot be tempted by evil, nor does he himself tempt anyone. But each one is tempted when he is drawn away by his own desires and enticed. Then when desire has conceived, it gives birth to sin, and sin, when it is full grown, brings forth death. Do not be deceived, my beloved brethren. Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above, and comes down from the Father of lights, with whom there is no variation or shadow of turning. Of his own will he brought us forth by the word of truth, that we might be a kind of first fruits of his creatures. James chapter 1 verses 12 to 18. Thank you.
Jacob kalang kamay karian na kamay kamigo kagato aniu ka tiniu suno may biakan kai tengai na aniu ka latsan sui kunip ni sang nang ning latsa ko kani tan ko suya kai ho kalam tu jausen mak ni mai ka jausen ka sa na latsan su kuni diki jausen latsan ka ngamwe
Oracle na NIV Verbala. James chapter 1 verses 2 to 5. Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its work, so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything. If any one of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. James chapter 1 verses 2 to 5.
Arena sa Ipolo Nimra King James Version Apollo. James chapter 1 verse 2 to 8. My brethren, count it all joy when ye fall into divers temptation, knowing this, that the trying of your faith worketh patience. But let patience have a perfect work, that ye may be perfect and entire, wanting nothing. If any one of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God, that giveth to all men liberally, and upbraideth not, and it shall be given to him. But let him ask in faith, nothing wavering. For he that wavereth is like a wave of the sea, driven with the wind and tossed. For let not that man think he shall receive anything of the Lord. A double-minded man is unstable in all his ways.
In this version of NIV Verbala, James chapter 2 verse 12 and 13. Speak and act as those who are going to be judged by the Lord that gives freedom, because judgment without mercy will be shown to anyone who has not been merciful. Mercy triumphs over judgment. Thank you.
Lakoi no kuma pala kung the. James chapter 1 verse 5 to 8. Tikin nani thau ko mai khau. Ling ting ma I thai. Na ilana ti lo no mi pu rabu ko lai yo. Za to mak na ti puli. Kamai lum si to mak na lum na nai ni nai ai. Lum si pi mai te thu. Pui pui khau. Buan re phung pat phung go ta to mai de lo te ko thung dai. Ni kum pui mai. Ka chun pat pat good good gam pui mai. Ka long ding ding mak pui mai te thu. Ka bang mai khoi na. Khan na sin ka to ni to mai.
King James Version of the Epistle of James chapter 1 verses 2 to 5. Proceeding from trials, my brethren, count it all joy when you fall into various trials, knowing that the testing of your faith produces patience. But let patience have its perfect work, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking nothing. If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, who gives to all liberally and without reproach, and it will be given to him. James chapter 1 verses 2 to 5.
Jacob kanai tuang na kanai level of thum. Aniu ta tining su lo mai ret dan thai te laina. Aniu ta la chan su pu ni pisang roi. Nang niu lat sa khao khatni tan khao su re thayo. Kalam thu Zauzen ma chu mai ta Zauzen ka zau magna la chan su pu ni tiki Zauzen roi la chan tangame. Jacob kanai tuang na kanai level of thum.
Jacob kalang kanai kanian chuna chang. Mẹ mày cũng tới khi thầy mày nghe thấy tôi không nào tàn cái sao bằng mày đâm mình tới khi thầy mày nghe
हिंदी का वर्जन मेरा फॉलो है याकूब 2:26 निदान जैसे दे आत्मा बिना मारे हुई है वैसे ही विश्वास भी कर्मा बिना मारा हुई है याकूब chapter 2 verse 26